And in cause number 2025 CR 002031, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Contained in Exhibit 1 and attached.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 012239 and 2025 CR 002031, State versus Selena Allen. Could I have parties announced?
Andrew Harris, settlement for the state.
Sean Schiffman for defendant. We're ready.
And are you Miss Allen?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Allen, in each cause number, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? And the cause number ending in 39, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, two or more previous convictions. And the same in cause number ending in 31. Did you understand those are state jail felonies?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Those causes are state jail felonies, range of punishment, and each of these cause numbers is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years and up to $10,000 fine in each cause number. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Allen, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea in each cause number, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state is opposed to your application. And one box is checked in 2024 CR 012239. That they're taking a case into consideration. I'm assuming that case number is,
Lots of case numbers, Your Honor.
oh,
All of the other ones except for these cases.
all right. Do you understand that all of the other cases will be taken in consideration?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your
State is at the plea?
Yes, Judge, it's just gonna take a while.
Oh, sure. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
Honor. No, Your Honor.
And cause number 2024 CR 012239, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in cause number 2025 CR 002031, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Judge.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation in each of these cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept it to evidence, states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Your Honor, we were gonna ask for a PSI, but,
All right, if you would like, we can do a PSI, but it's going to be 8 weeks from now. Or if you would like, we can give you a shorter turnaround. And what will end up happening is I'll ask the state for a criminal history, and then you can present whatever witnesses you wish to present.
yes, that would be easier, Judge.
All right, so how much time do you need, counsel?
We have a couple witnesses that I need to get a hold of to make sure, so we could do it sometime next week, Judge.
All right, so you want to do it the 7th, the 8th, or the 10th of April?
I'm sorry, you said the 7th, 8th, or 10th?
Yes.
How about the 10th, Judge?
All right,
Or I apologize, Judge. The 8th.
the 8th, okay.
Yes.
All right, and counsel, just so the record is clear, you're waiving PSI?
Yes, sure.
All right, so what's going to end up happening is we're going to come back on April 8th. The state is going to give me information on your criminal history or whatever evidence they want to present. And then your attorney will have witnesses for me. And I'll base my decision on your application based upon whatever evidence is presented. Do you understand?
So it'll still be doing an application for probation.
Oh, no, you've already done your application for
okay.
probation.
Okay.
So a PSI is really a more intensive interview,
Okay,
because they'll find out if you have a drug or alcohol issues. They'll look at your criminal history. Maybe they'll call the complainant to talk to them about what happened,
okay.
what type of restitution they're due.
Yes, ma'am.
And when I say not intensive, but more detailed. So because it's more detailed, the backlog is about 8 weeks, and it's about 8 weeks for every single court.
Okay.
Because they don't have enough people to do
Okay.
evaluations. So your attorney is saying, we don't need to do an evaluation. What he'll do is he'll bring witnesses to the court on April 8th. The state will present whatever evidence they want to present to me, which I'm assuming is going to be your criminal history. And then I'll make a decision not upon a PSI report, because you waived that and said you don't want one.
Okay.
It's just going to be whatever evidence is presented to me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. So we'll be back on April 8th.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Asterisk, the court has heard all statements, reviewed all evidence, and the matter is now in suspense. Selena Allen has entered her plea knowingly and voluntarily, waived her rights, and applied for deferred adjudication in 2 serious theft charges. The state will present her criminal history and any other relevant evidence. The defense will present witnesses. The final decision now rests with the court scheduled for April 8th. Until then, the outcome hangs in the balance. Will deferred adjudication be granted, offering her a chance at rehabilitation, or will the court impose the full statutory penalties? The courtroom falls silent as the judge prepares to render judgment at the next hearing. Every detail, every testimony, every piece of evidence will weigh heavily in the days to come. For Selena Allen, the next chapter begins not in the courtroom today, but on April 8th, when the decision that could shape her future will finally be made